Good morning, students. Yesterday I have explained you the poem The Ant and the Cricket. Today we will discuss the question answer of this poem. Question number 1. Why does the poet call the cricket in the poem silly? We have discussed during our explanation of the poem that the poet called the cricket silly. So here our question is, why does the poet call the cricket in the poem silly? The poet called the cricket silly because it did not use good weather to collect food and make a shelter for the winter. पोएट ने क्रिकेट को सिली क्यों बोला? तो पोएट ने क्रिकेट को सिली बोला क्योंकि जब वेदर अच्छा था तो उसने वो अच्छा वेदर फूड कलेक्ट करने में नहीं बिताया एंड विंटर के लिए अपना शेल्टर भी नहीं बनाया. सो हियर द पोएट कॉल्ड द क्रिकेट सिली. Question number 2. What was the state of cricket's home? What was the condition of cricket's home? Our answer is there was no food. The cupboard was empty. क्रिकेट का जो होम था उसकी कंडीशन क्या थी? सो एट क्रिकेट्स होम देयर was no food and his cupboard was empty. Question number 3. What was the state of weather? Means what was the condition of weather? Weather की condition क्या थी? Means उस टाइम पे जो weather था वो कैसा था? The correct answer is the earth was covered with snow. पूरी जो अर्थ थी वो स्नो से कवर थी and there was no flowers and leaves on the tree. Question number 4. What did the cricket do when he began to starve? Answer is the cricket went to ant. He wanted to borrow some food and shelter from ant. क्रिकेट था वो जब भूख से मर रहा था तब क्या उसने क्या किया? सो द क्रिकेट वेंट टू एंड बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड टू बोरो सम फूड एंड शेल्टर फ्रॉम एंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What did the cricket do during the summer? Our correct answer is the cricket kept on singing all through summer and spring. जब समर सीजन चल रहा था तब क्रिकेट ने क्या किया? क्रिकेट क्या कर रहा था? सो द क्रिकेट kept on singing all through summer and spring. Now these are short question answers and now we will discuss about long question answers. Question number 1. The cricket says, "Oh, what will become of me?" When does he say it and why? जब क्रिकेट क्या बोलता है? अब मेरा क्या होगा? So when does he say these words and why? The correct answer is the cricket said the given line when it found that its cupboard was empty and winter had arrived. It could not find a single crumb to eat on the snow-covered ground, and there were no flowers and leaves on the tree. It wondered what would become of it because it was getting cold, and since there was nothing to eat, it would starve and die. So this is the answer of question number 1. Question 2. Why does the cricket go to the ant? Cricket ant के पास क्यों गया था? The correct answer is because of not laying by any food in summer, the cricket is damned to face a hard time of starvation and famine in winter season. Therefore, the cricket goes to the ant to beg for shelter and food. Question number 3. What is the lesson given by the poem to the mankind? Students, here mankind means we human beings. So, the question means what is the lesson given by the poem to our human beings? So, the correct answer is the lesson what has been delivered to the mankind is that we should lead happy moments, but not by ignoring our future. Careful planning and is essential for everyone and it ensures a secure future. ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो क्या बता रहा है? सो क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग ये है कि ये पोयम जो है वो मैनकाइंड के लिए क्या लेसन देती है. सो हियर द लेसन व्हाट हैज बीन डिलीवर्ड टू द मैनकाइंड इज दैट वी शुड लीड हैप्पी मोमेंट्स. हमें अपनी हैप्पी मोमेंट्स जी लेनी चाहिए, लीड करनी चाहिए, बट नॉट बाय इग्नोरिंग अवर फ्यूचर. बट हमें हमारा फ्यूचर जो है वो इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए. मीन्स एन्जॉय के साथ साथ हमें हार्ड वर्क भी करना चाहिए. बिकॉज केयरफुल प्लानिंग इज इसेंशियल फॉर एवरीवन एंड दैट्स व्हाई we will make our future secure and bright. What was the condition of the cricket? Our question number 4 is what was the condition of the cricket? जो क्रिकेट था उसकी कंडीशन कैसी थी, उसकी स्टेट. what was the state of the cricket? The cricket's condition was pitiable. क्रिकेट की जो कंडीशन थी बच्चों वो पिटीएबल थी. पिटीएबल मीन्स वी शो काइंडनेस, हमें जिसको देख के हमें दया आ जाए. सो वी कैन से इट पिटीएबल. ही वॉज वेट ऑल ओवर विथ स्नोफॉल एंड फीलिंग टेरिबली कोल्ड. क्रिकेट की जो कंडीशन थी वो पिटीएबल थी. ही वॉज वेट ऑल ओवर विथ स्नोफॉल. हियर एंड there were falling snow around on the earth. So जो क्रिकेट था वो पूरा भीग चुका था, स्नोफॉल की वजह से पूरा वेट हो चुका था. एंड फीलिंग टेरिबली कोल्ड, एंड उसको बहुत ठंड भी लग रही थी. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट अवर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ अवर पोयम द एंट एंड द क्रिकेट. आई होप you all understand it. Goodbye. Thank you. Take care.